Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your residential address on Amazon, especially for digital purchases like ebooks, apps, or movies. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open Amazon website and log into your Amazon account. Now, on the top right side, you will see account and list option. Just drop down it and select your account. On the left side, you will find your addresses. Just click on this. So here you can edit or change your addresses. For example, I have two addresses. So I want to change this address. So I'm just click on this and now you are able to enter your new residential address including PIN code, state and full location. After changing it, just click on update address and your address is updated. That's it. You have successfully changed your address or digital purchases on Amazon. So, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.